First, make new file, the size whatever you want. Me, I choose this size. Create. Fill, Alt delete, and then choose whatever font you want. I use this version soft. Arrange the setting of the font. I choose white for the color. Start typing. Plus, or type whatever you want. Arrange the size of the font. Click Ctrl A for Select All to arrange the position of the text. Ctrl D to deselect, and then blending option for the text. The opacity raise to 0, and then choose bevel and emboss. Use below emboss. Arrange the depth. Arrange the size. Soften 0. Angle I use 155. Don't use global light. Always use anti-alias for better result. And then I use this setting for glass. Arrange again the angle. I use at 155. Again, the highlight mode, use linear dodge for sharper result, sharper highlight. Reduce the shading, use multiply. Arrange again the angle. I think 115. This is nice. And inner glow. I can use inner dodge for sharper highlight. Opacity, you can arrange. Tiny softer edge, the source 2. Arrange the choke, and then the size, and then anti-alias for better result, and choose this setting. Arrange the size. This is nice. And then drop shadow, multiply, and then raise the distance, spread. Don't use global light. I think it's better. Spread. Raise the angle, and then anti-alias for better result, and then choose this setting. It's good for glass. Raise the size spread, distance, opacity. So if you use this setting also to the inner glow, and use the setting also to the drop shadow. Okay, this is nice. And then you can modify the background. You can use gradient, and then you can arrange the color. Me, I like this color. So this is transparent. You change the background to any color. You can see it is transparent. Here. And then for sharp looking, you can use a color lookup, and then choose the 3D load file with winter wool. Nice. Then we can arrange the opacity. Okay. You can make another shape, not only text. For example, this shape, the deer. Okay. Use shape. And I copy the layer style of the text that we make before. Copy layer style and paste the layer style to the deer shape. So you can apply the setting of the layer style to any shape. Okay? Thank you. Don't forget to save your file.